Hi guys! Share ko lang yung video scammer na nangyari sa akin few days ago, like maybe like a week or two ago. Hindi ko na nagawa ng video, no? So here I go. So I was working mga midday or maybe early afternoon. Biglang may tumawag. I don't usually answer mga numbers na hindi ko kilala. And then sobrang professional sounding nung babae. You know, napaniwala ako eh. And then ang hook nila was parang if I recall, sabi parang, "Sir, alam niyo ba yung debit card niyo po sa BDO may nag-expire na points, ganitong amount of points na ganito yung value in cash if you convert them." And then nung inask yung username ko yung online para to verify or whatever, pinas niya sa supervisor niya, who then sounded more professional than the current one. I can't explain. Basta parang nakalimutan ko na actually na random yung caller. And then she proceeds to tell me na, "Sir, may marireceive kayo from video na security code to verify. Please do not share with anyone else." Sa kanya lang and sa akin. So parang hindi pa nag-register sa akin na OTP na pala yung makukuha ko. So ako naman may ginagawa kong iba kasi busy ako ganyan. And then she was very good at making me feel appeased. And then sabi pa niya, "Ay, pasensya na sir, hindi nyo alam yung nag-expire yung points kasi every quarter daw yung cycle ng points para convertible to cash." Nilanong ko kung pwede bang automatic na lang yun. Syempre ako naki-converse pa ako. And then medyo natunugan ko lang nung sinabi sa akin na, "Sir, ganito pala yung number of accounts mo." And then parang never naman ako ginanon ng actual video person, no? Sinabi sa akin ko ulit yung account ko dun sa online banking ko. So parang that's strange. And then sinabi ulit sa akin na may security code ulit na papasok sa akin. And then I think I misheard na yung last 3 digits yung ibibigay ko. So yun yung binigay ko. So probably that's when the confusion started with them and me. And then na garble yung conversation. And then naputol. And then na-feel ko na hindi na yun tama. So parang sinabi ko, "Shit, nasa-scam yata yun ah." And then kasi napasok na yung account ko. And honestly, I'm actually surprised na hindi pa nakuha lahat. It's super traumatic pala, to experience that. Sobrang galing na nila ngayon makipag-usap. Parang nag-aral sa customer service yung kausap ko. To really scam you. To really get all of what you have, and honestly parang naunahan, kung hindi lang siguro naputol yung linya, then nakuha na nila lahat. And then kung hindi ko lang naunahan na palitan yung password ko, ganun. Kasi ang kailangan mo pala to change your password, it's just the username and 1 OTP. That's it. Ako naman si tanga nabulag sa cashback blah 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 na may ganun pala. So syempre yun, just be vigilant na lang guys sa mga ganitong bagay. And honestly, siguro huwag na lang talaga sagutin yung mga number na hindi nyo kilala, and just wait for a text for them to tell you who they are. I just wanted to share my experience. Yun lang, para maging mas aware yung mga tao. And I hope this doesn't happen to you guys. And honestly, I don't know why, bakit parang ang specific sa akin tumawag, na paano lang nalaman nila na video ako. Di ba? No text or any warning na ganun. Parang tumawag lang and then cashback nga daw. And then naputol yung linya, di ba? So tumatawag-tawag na. Pero ang ginagawa ko nun, sinisecure ko na yung account ko. And then ayun, parang hiningin ko yung names nila. At parang medyo nag-garble na yung line. Sabi ko, I asked for their name and designation para i-confirm ko lang, ganyan. Of course, wala na. wala nang contact, and that was it. And I almost lost everything then. So ingat guys.